What's up YouTube, this is Paul here. So today we're going to be learning how to make some sweet tea. So I guess let's get started. Before we go any further, make sure to hit that red subscribe button down below and also click that bell so you get notified anytime I post a video. Now back to the video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to get yourself some sweet tea. So right here I got some Lipton iced tea, southern sweet tea. So this is already pre-sweetened too. So that makes it even better. Now, if you want to go the lazy way, you could go buy the K-Cups. Now, I did the cost analysis. It's like 50 cents per K-Cup, and then you can only get around 8 ounces out of the sweet tea K-Cups. Now, that's all fine and dandy, but it's like 50 cents a K-Cup. Whereas this was like $2 total for 22 tea bags, and then each tea bag can make up to 32 ounces. So it even says right here, fourth of a tea bag makes 8 fluid ounces prepared. Servings per container 88. So you can do the math. That's around 32 ounces per tea bag. So that's, and then per tea bag it costs around 10 cents per tea bag. So then you can do the math on that, divide that by 4. And so you can get the same amount of tea per 8 ounces for around 2.5 cents compared to the 50 cents for the K-Cups. So that's really good right here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is turn on your Keurig or any other coffee maker. While it's heating up, open up your sweet tea, take a tea bag out, and you can get your cup. Then you're going to put your sweet tea in the cup. And for those people that are using regular coffee makers, you would actually stick this inside your coffee maker. So just thought I'd clarify, because someone is probably going to try to do this and be like, wait, I got a regular coffee maker. And then you would also fill up your coffee maker and all that good stuff. And then what you're going to do is, so my Keurig is empty. So then you're going to stick your cup under it, which I'll be right back. Okay, mine's under it. I'm going to push, this is 12 ounces. And then it's going to dump the water on it. Okay, so it just made 12 ounces, but that's not enough. Let's put around another 12 in to make 24 ounces. So open it, shut it. I'm gonna brew another 12 ounces. Okay, so this is perfect. Now, there's a little bit room left, which should be enough to put your ice in. So this is around 24 ounces total. That's less than the 36 ounces that it can make up to, which is fine. You'll still get more tea than you would in the more expensive K-Cups. In fact, if I wanted to, I could go brew some more right now. Then I do have other cups and stuff that I could pour this into. But just for the simplicity of this video, 24 will be fine. And that's still coming out 5 cents for like every 8 ounces. So the next thing we need to do is wait 3 to 5 minutes as per the instructions on the package. So Alexa, set a 5-minute timer.
5 minutes, starting now.
Alright, I'll be back once it's steeped. Also, another thing you can do is put your lid on, so then you can also steam up and stuff in there too. So, alright, here we go. Okay, so our 5-minute timer's up, so we're gonna discard this. Let's figure out how to. I'll just use this cup for now. I'll throw it away later. So we throw that in there. Then as per the instructions, it says to put some ice in there. So let's see. It even tells you how many, but we're not making a gallon of tea. We're only making this cup, so at the top. So put some more ice in. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill it up until it's full. Right. Put a little bit more. There we go. That's full enough. I'm also going to mix it together. Very refreshing. And it's still not as cold as I like, but I mean, it's cold enough it's not hot anymore. And probably as I drink it down, I can put more ice in, which I'll probably do that. And honestly, this is a good, cheap, and easy way to make sweet tea if you don't know how, which I think I've learned before, but I'm just too lazy. So, and this is also a good way to make tea for lazy people. The more lazier way, though, is to spend the money and buy the K-Cups. And what that involves is just sticking a cup of ice under your Keurig. Don't use glass. Use something like like a plastic cup or something that's like really thick, or maybe one of these insulated ones. Fill it up with ice. You put the K-Cup in, and then you brew it over there, and then you have iced tea that way too. But as I said, it costs 50 cents for 8 ounces. In this case, you can have it anywhere from, I think this was, divide that by 4 was 32. Anyway, you can have it as cheap as anywhere from like 2.5 to like 5 cents in that for 8 ounces. I think that's a lot cheaper. So yeah, remember, I'll have links down to where to buy this stuff on Amazon. So if you just wanted to try it out. But anyway, remember to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want me to do next. I'm thinking maybe a sandwich or maybe some coffee. So remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.